Sentiment analysis for Atlassian's JIRA and JIRA Service Desk is a Forge-based application that provides sentiment analysis on tickets raised. So this helps in two areas. So firstly, say we have a customer coming to a help center portal on Service Desk and they're raising a bug, and maybe they're quite irate about the particular bug. So what they can do is they can click on report a bug, and they're going to say something about the login and their experience. So the customer fills in their ticket and press send. So this has now raised the ticket as normal in JIRA Service Desk. If I switch over now to the triage individual within the organisation, and they look at their queue, they now see that this ticket has arrived. And so now clicking on this ticket, you can see the details that the customer raised, also the SLAs, but you can also now see sentiment. And it's also very important to understand that these tickets are written by individuals and they have emotional states when they're writing these tickets. And what sentiment analysis does is it provides a clean and easy way to understand sentiment, but in a uniform way across all individuals that will triage. So in this case, I can immediately see that this ticket has been written in a very negative sentiment from the customer. I can view the breakdown, and what it will actually do is it will pick out all of the keywords and key terms that is denoted as being negative. And so you can see within the description we've got negative keywords, we've also got some in the summary. And what this allows me as an individual triaging this ticket is actually to understand what this customer is feeling when they wrote this ticket. It's quite negative, so even though I've got an 8-hour SLA, I may want to resolve this ticket very rapidly or get in touch with the customer just to reassure them that this ticket can be resolved very effectively and hopefully improve their sentiment and also their experience with me as a provider of software. So this is one area where it's helping customers who raise tickets at triage. The other area that sentiment analysis actually helps with is within project teams themselves. So we can have different types of tickets that are raised, and in this case, for instance, we have a ticket that's about enhancing a product page, product search page for a product. And this has been written, you can see here's the title and description, and you can see here is the sentiment of this, and this is denoted as a very positive ticket. We can do similarly, we can actually do view the breakdown, and we can again see that we've got positive comments in the description, summary, and even the comments as well. And what this actually does is this helps development teams write tickets that are positive rather than negative. I have another ticket here, for example, that is more negative. So again, commenting about a login page. So we have the title, description, the ticket has been identified as very negative, and I can again view the breakdown and it will show me all of the errors or areas where there is negative sentiment and the keywords that it's picking out as far as things that we should be aware of. So what this is enabling me to do as a development team is actually to build the idea of writing more positive tickets. This positivity can then actually make a team more productive because the positivity will actually extend to the other aspects of their working environment, so their stand-ups, their meetings, where they're discussing tickets. If they're discussing a positive ticket, it's far more beneficial and far more motivating to a development team than a negative one. And this particular extension allows authors of tickets and tasks to actually understand the terms that they are using and how they may be perceived by others so that they can extend that positivity. Positivity within the team also makes benefits because you are likely to get more contributions from the development team and from individuals so that they extend the application, they work better, the application, the actual tangible deliverables from this actually are better overall. So this is sentiment analysis. It's designed to work on Service Desk and JIRA, and it's a Forge application.